Hey, guys! Today, let's try to set a thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. If you guys are wondering how to set your own thumbnail for the YouTube Shorts that you post, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to change this and set this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the YouTube application. And once we're already here, I want you to proceed with tapping on the plus icon for you guys to share a specific post on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose a specific post that I want to go with and share. Tap on edit into a short. Next, and then from here, we're gonna have the option as well to basically choose a thumbnail for this. Just tap on next. Once you're done, that will YouTube also automatically detects the video that you were trying to post and will also suggest a specific thumbnail for the video that you were trying to post. In this case, you could also tap on the edit icon represented right here. That's gonna allow you guys to choose a specific section of the video to use as a thumbnail, so you can actually have your thumbnail added to the video itself. And you could also do that and choose the last part of the video as your thumbnail. And once you're done, just tap on done. But basically, that's how you guys could choose a specific part of the video as your thumbnail and basically tap on upload short once you're ready. And it's that easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.